Good evening to fellow participants. Thanks for joining us. We are Group 2 from Engineering and Society Section 4. We would like to do webinar about Microsoft Excel for beginner. I would like to introduce our presenter Livenesh and Guru. Livenesh, you may proceed from here.
Hello everyone, I'm the first presenter and I'm going to start with the introduction to Excel. So Microsoft Excel is the industry leading spreadsheet program used by millions of people all over the world. Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheets. Within Excel, a user can organize data, create charts, and perform calculations. Moreover, Excel is a convenient program because it allows users to create large spreadsheets, reference information, and it allows for better storage of information. Excel also operates like other Microsoft MS Office programs and has many of the same functions and shortcuts of other MS programs. Features of Excel. Microsoft Excel allows organization, tabulation, search, and exploration of data and large sizes. It also allows the design of PF program, professionally looking charts, 3D effects, shadowing, and transparency. Data can also be filtered and sorted. Formatting of spreadsheets allows changing the font color and font size. A function library consists of various functions grouped like financial, logical, and math, trigonometry, etc. Based on the values entered in different cells in the spreadsheets, formula can be defined which automatically perform calculation. I think someone want to join it. So let's look the overview of Excel. The figure shows the overview of the Excel. Microsoft Excel consists of workbooks. Within each workbook, there is an infinite number of worksheets. Each worksheet contains of columns and rows. Where a column and a row intersect is called a cell. For example, cell D5, as I mentioned in the figure, you can see there, is located at column D and row 5. The tabs at the bottom of the screen represent different worksheets within a workbook. You can use the scrolling buttons on the left to bring other worksheets to view. Spreadsheet basics. Spreadsheet is a computerized ledger divided into rows and columns. Excel is a spreadsheet which holds different kinds of information. It performs calculations with the mathematical and statistical functions. It presents your information in a variety of ways with visually interesting charts and graphs. There are two parts, constants and formulas. Constants, entries that do not change. Formulas, a combination of constants and functions. Spreadsheet is a generic term. Worksheet is an external term. Excel term. Workbook contains one or more worksheets. Next is Office button. You can see the figure there. The one new, to open new workbook, the shortcut key is CTRL plus N. Next one is open. To open existing document, CTRL plus O. Next one is save. To save a document, CTRL plus S. Save as, to save copy document, you can press the F12. Okay, so if you want to print, you can press CTRL P. To prepare a document for distribution, the next one is to send a copy of document to other people. To publish, to distribute document to other people. To close the document, CTRL plus W. Let's look at the ribbons. There are three parts: tabs, groups, and commands. Tabs, there are 7 tabs across the top of the Excel window. You can see the red circle That's the tabs. And the groups is the green color one. Groups are sets of related commands displayed on tabs. Commands is the small circle. A command is a button, a menu, or a box where you enter information. Guru, you can proceed.
Okay, thank you, Levenesh. Good evening, everyone. So now I'm going to present my part. Okay, first of all, working with cells. Okay, working with cells is very easy one. You can select any columns, any words over here. You can copy and paste in any of the clipboards over here. So select the cell or cells you wish to copy, and then click the copy command and clipboard group on the home tab. Then select the cell or cells where you want to paste the information, and then click the paste command. The copied information will now appear in your new cells. This is a very easy for the beginners. The next slide. Okay, functions of Microsoft Excel. Okay, we got generally we got 7 types of functions in Microsoft Excel. So first, sum, which is the addition functions, and then max, min, average, standard deviation, and median. So first, you can select the function in the insert column, and then you can select the functions. You can select what you want to do. So, and then you can you can type the functions or enter the numbers which is related to the column or the rows. Okay, next slide. Okay, the third thing, to insert rows and columns. To insert a row, pick a cell or row that's not header row and right click, and then to insert a column, pick any cell in the table and right click. Point to insert and pick table above the insert a new row or table column to the left, insert a new column. To insert multiple rows, select the same number of rows above which you want to add a new ones. Right click the selection and then select insert rows. So you can click the A, B, C, D or the 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Between the numbers also you can see any arrows over here. So if you click the arrows, you can automatically add a new row or column over here. The next slide. Okay, data entering. You can sort data, which is alphabetically or numerically, by highlighting cells, then pressing the sort shortcut key, and then you can cut and paste to move data around. Then to update your worksheets, you can use to find and replace action under the edit menu. And then to change the order of your worksheets, click and drag the worksheet tab to the desired order. Next slide. And then creating chart. Okay, first step you want to do is choose a chart tab which you want to do, and then highlight the data that you wish to be included in the chart, which is the data in your Microsoft worksheets, and then change the chart option. Or for example, if you want to do a graph, you can select the y-axis or in the data, and then x-axis you can select which data you want to select in your worksheet, and then choose a location for the chart. Okay. These are the example of the chart over here. And then next slide. Okay, shortcut keys. We have several shortcut keys to easily do the Microsoft Excel, and then you can see all over the shortcut keys over here. For example, if you want to copy or paste, you will type Control C, Control V, right? So that's the same thing here. And then these are the functions. You can screenshot over here. It may be help when you do the Microsoft Excel. And then next slide. Okay, here goes the same thing here. Okay. Okay, now we can continue with the quizzes. Thank you, everyone.
So next we prepare quizzes which will be conducted by Shinwei. Please.
Boleh nampak kan? Hello?
Can. Can.
Can lah.
Peserta-peserta boleh join quiz ni.
Saya dah join.
Ada lagi nak join tak?
Mantap lah Akmal.
Semua dah kan?
Tak ada hadiah ke?
Dah.
Yang menang ni.
Dah Saya end
Maafkannya. Ada hadiah tak?
So tahniah lah Akmal Osman, Rabi dengan Afiq Azmi. So itu saja daripada saya.
Okay, that's all from us. Again, thank you for joining us. We believe that every participant gained some information regarding Excel. Now we will provide you a link for Google Form for our feedback of our conduct of this event. Please fill up this form. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I already put the link in the chat box. I hope you can see the link and fill the forms. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. That's all from us. You may leave the meeting now.
Thank you guys.